Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, it's that time of year. It's hot, it's summer. Time to fertilize our palm trees. Look at this. We got some Flora Green from Yard Mastery. That's the main one, the fertilizer. And then we have some microgreen. Gives a little micronutrients in there, some potassium. All right, let's get to it. Get yourself one of those flexible tape measures, the kind that you see at the tailor when you're getting your custom suit made. Put it around the palm tree. I would say about chest height. For instance, myself, I'm about 5'10" when I'm feeling proud and American. So here you see I wrapped it all around. It's about 50 inches or so. So take that, however many inches it is, that diameter, and divide by your good friend pi, also known as 3.14. What number do you get? I believe I got around almost 16. So let's say you got 16. That's 16 ounces of Flora Green that you better be mixing in to that 5-gallon bucket. And I want you to choose very carefully. Are you Team Orange or Team Blue? Home Depot or Lowe's? Because that makes a massive difference in the performance of this. Now, when you put in the microgreen, that micronutrient one there, no matter what size tree, shrubbery that you have, just do 1 ounce. Don't do any more than 1 ounce. That is plenty. You do more than that, you're going to put that tree into some shock. But don't fret. If you put a little too much, just water it in a little bit more. Alright folks, that's how I fertilize my palm trees. I do it in the spring, summer, and fall. And again, I use Flora Green from Yard Mastery and microgreen. How do you fertilize your palm trees?
I wait for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a